YouTube ad placement tutorial in 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can place your ads onto YouTube and specific videos and how you can use them to earn money and grow your business. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to Google Ads, or you can just simply type in ads.google.com. Now once you're over here, this is how the website is going to look like, and you just simply have to sign up. So you can get started by simply clicking on the start now button at the top right corner, or you can just simply enter in your email and check this reCAPTCHA box and get the coupon. Basically you can start and get $45 in your ad credit at once. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just simply gonna enter in my email and check this box and get the coupon. So as you can see, I've entered in my email and they're saying that I will receive my coupon by email within 1 minute and creating your first ad now, and you can apply your coupon after you start. So let's just go ahead and click on start now. So basically over here they're going to ask you if you're new to Google or not. Basically if you have previous experience in Google Ads or AdSense or stuff like that, you can just simply click on the experienced option. But if you don't have one, you can stick with the starter plan. So I'm going to stick around over here so that we can get a more simplified idea of how this website works. I'm going to click on next. And over here, what's your main advertising goal? To get more calls, to get more website sales or signups, or get more visits to your physical locations. Now you can choose any one of these options, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose get more website sales or signups, and I'm gonna click on next. You can choose whichever one you want, it doesn't really matter. So make sure you enter in your correct business name, because a lot of people are going to be seeing your ad and you don't want to make a mistake of getting your name wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my business name, and once you've done that, over here you just simply have to enter in your website. Now if you don't have a website, you can just simply create one by using online website builder tools such as Wix, and I have done a video on Wix before, so if you want to go check it out on the channel. Search for the video how to create a website on Wix, and I'm sure the video will pop up. So go ahead and watch that video if you want to know how you can build a website. But for now, I'm just simply going to paste in the URL that I have for my website. So once you've added your website, simply click on next, and it will scan your website and learn more about it. So over here, this is how your website is going to look like on the mobile version and on the desktop version. Simply click on next. So then you will see that they didn't find Google Analytics on your website. Set it up now to get a clear picture of your ad performance. And I don't want to set up Google Analytics right now because this is a test tutorial, but I would recommend you guys do that. You should put Google Analytics on your website so that they can have a clear picture of your ad performance as well. So I'm going to skip for now, and they're saying that your campaign may not perform as well, but I don't care because this is a video. I'm not going to be doing this full time, so I'm just simply going to skip. This is basically to show you how you can basically get it up and running. And then over here, now is your time to write your ad. So over here you have to write in certain headlines. So basically enter in headlines so that people get a clear picture of what your ad is, and make it catchy, guys. Make it eye catchy so that people can know about you. So over here, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Over here, this is going to be the website, and down below this is going to be the first headline, then the second headline, and the third headline. So make sure you do that. So then down below you will have a description about what that is, and then you will have a description number 2, and then you can show a call button on your ad or not. That it depends upon you, but I'm not going to show my call button, and I'm simply going to click on next. Now remember guys, you have to add in those options that I told you guys about. You don't have to leave them blank like I did. As I said before, this is just a tutorial to let you guys know how you can set up ads on your YouTube channel or on others' YouTube channel to get more traffic onto your website, your physical store, or get more calls for your sales as well. So over here, you're basically going to choose keywords for your ads. So basically I'm a blog creator, and you can also choose other keywords as well. So I'm going to click on blogger, blog websites. Yeah, I think that's basically it. So then what I want you guys to do is simply click on next once you've added all the tags that you require, and you can add in new keyword themes. So basically you can search in more keywords as well. So I'm going to type in UFC gloves. So that's basically it. As you can see, we have other options as well. So once you've added all the keywords, simply click on next. And once you have done that, you can now choose whether you want to advertise in a specific city or region, or you want to advertise near an address. So basically that just means that your advertisements will be shown over in this location over here, as you can see, or you can just choose advertise in a specific place. So this is the code. I'm just simply going to enter in this code, and over here, as you can see, we have a lot of different options, or you can just simply enter in the city or state. So let's just say California, United States. So I'm going to choose that option over here, and I'm just simply going to click on next. So as you can see, I've added 2 countries over here, and you can add in more countries as well. So let me just add in UK as well. So we have the 3 countries over here set up. We want our ads to be playing in these 3 countries specifically. So once you have done that, simply click on next. And then over here, you will have to select a budget to get the results you want. You can select a budget option basically over here. Over here, you'll have some packages that you will have to deliver. You can basically, if you pay 800 rupees, which I think goes around, let's just say $5 or $4. Once you do that, then your daily average, your PKR monthly will be 24,000 rupees monthly max, and estimated from 200 to 580 ad clicks per each month. Or you can just pay a higher price and get more ad clicks, or you can get the premium version, and they basically estimate that you will at least get 850 to 2,000 clicks every single month. Or you can just enter in your own budget. Let's just say that I have a budget of rupees 5,000, and then they say that I will have a estimate of 1,400 clicks to 3,500 clicks per month, which I think is pretty awesome. So go ahead and do that, and once you've done that, you can just simply select end date. Basically, if you want to run the ad for 21 days from today, or you can change the site as well, or you can just select run continuously. Basically what that means is that for the month you won't pay more than your daily average budget times the average number of days in a month. Some days you might spend less than your daily average budget, and on other days you might spend up to twice as much. So be careful about that, guys. Then just simply click on next, and over here this is basically it, and this is how your ad is going to look like on different websites or stuff like that. And then just simply click on next. Once you have viewed everything, you just simply have to click on next, and then everything will be set up. You don't have to pay anything. So once you've done that, you have to view your final product. So you have to check the billing country, you have to enter in your time zone, and you have to enter in the introductory offer. And if you want to, you can have yes, send me promotional offers, surveys, and invites to try new features, or no, so that you won't get any emails from Google for a advice or not. I'm just simply going to select no. And over here you can also add in a promotional code if you have one, but if you don't, you can leave it blank. Then down below, just enter in the payment method. So I have added my card over here, and then over here automatic payments or manual payments. After you add or select the payment method, it's charged automatically, typically monthly as well. And then just simply click on submit, and that is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on submit, and once you have done that, congratulations, you're all done, and you can explore your campaign. So I'm gonna click on explore your campaign, and over here, as you can see, we have 0 impressions at the moment because our ad just went live, and it will run for I think 2 or 3 days. So basically that is how you do that. Now that is how you do a campaign for easy mode. Basically you just let it run and Google will do everything for you. You don't have to manually set a campaign on certain videos. Now that we have selected our country and region, Google Ads will just automatically place your ads onto YouTube videos, onto Google searches, or onto other websites where they think that there's a chance to getting more clicks on our ad. So that is basically it. You just simply make an account, you just enter in some of the details about your ad and your website, and then that is basically it. Now what if you wanted to go and create a new campaign, or you want to be certain that your ads just want to be played on YouTube? Well, for that you just simply click on the new campaign, and over here just select whichever one you want. Let's just say that I want to get more clicks, choose that. So that is basically it. So if you wanted to like get a new campaign started, just simply click on add new campaign, and over here they're basically going to ask you how you can do that. Now what if you wanted to place your ads on certain videos and you want to be sure that ads are playing on those videos? So for that you have to switch to expert mode, and once you're over here you have to choose this option. So you have sales, you have leads, you have website traffic, products, and local stores and applications. So these are going to be the goal for our ad. So let's just select this option over here, and over here these are going to be select a campaign type. Basically we want to have a search result, a display, shopping, or video. So if you want to place your ads on videos, you just simply click on the video option over here, and then just simply click on continue, and over here you're going to be entering in a lot of different details. So basically you have to enter in your campaign name, your bid strategy, your budget and date, and your networks, your locations, your languages as well. You can simply add in more language. Basically, if you add in different languages, you won't get a higher CPR, but if you enter in the English language, because it is one of the most common languages in the world and almost everyone knows, and I'm pretty sure that 70% of the population, in my opinion, knows English or understands a little bit about this language, so they can understand that. That is a tip for me to you guys. If you choose English language, you will have a higher CPR, and then you will have all these different details that you want to fill out. And then once you have done that, simply click on create campaign, and then your campaign will be finished and it will be able to play it on different videos on YouTube. Now, what if you wanted to have a specific ad played on a specific channel? Basically, if you search over here for a video or paste the URL from YouTube, let's just search for a channel. Let's just search for PewDiePie. So over here, these are some of the videos of PewDiePie. So if I click over here, this is how my ad is going to look like. So over here, just enter in the headline, the long headline, descriptions and stuff like that. Then your video will play before this specific video of PewDiePie. So for this video, PewDiePie got more than 6 million views. This is the new PewDiePie versus CoComelon. So remember that they also give us some of the statistics about that channel or that specific video before we're trying to create an ad. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.